Hope you're enjoying your spring break, ladies and gents. So here's the third part of the extra credit assignment. You take a sheet of paper, divide it into 4 equal sections. We have to worry about the graph, the story, the equation, and the table. So let's deal with the story first. So as a model for what you have to do with your experiment, I'll model what I did. The story is Mr. Taylor trains for the Olympics. He runs 3 meters per second. That's the story. Since we have the story, we can come up with a table. So if we remember that, let's see, we're talking about seconds and we're talking about meters. So my table looks something like that. And if you remember in class, we have to go at least 5 seconds for our table. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In 0 seconds, I haven't gone anywhere. In 1 second, I've gone 3 meters. In 2 seconds, 6 meters. In 3 seconds, 9 meters. In 4 seconds, 12 meters. And in 5 seconds, 15 meters. Let's see. I have the story. I have the table. I can do a graph. Make sure your graph is done carefully. You have to draw the x-axis, draw the y-axis, and when you draw those two axes, make sure you label them. This is in seconds, this is in meters. You have the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah, I guess I should put graph here. So we can label our x-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, my y-axis, I guess I can go by 2's. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And now I plot points. So the first point is 0, 0, which is right there. The next point is 1, 3, so 1, 3. The next point is 2, 6, so 2 up to 6. The next point is 3, 9, which is right about there. The next point is 4, 12, which is right about there. And the next one is 5, 15, which is right there. So I have my points. Take a straight edge, connect the dots, and there I've graphed the equation. Well, I graphed the story. The next part is you have to have the algebra. In other words, you have to have the equation. If you notice, the change in s is 1. So when I go to do the slope, which is m, change in s is 1. The change in the m, which is our y value, is 3. 3 over 1 is 3. The y-intercept is 0 because our x is 0. And wherever the x is 0, that's our y-intercept. So our equation is m equals 3s. 3 meters per second for every second gives you how many meters the person ran. Now for this particular extra credit assignment, I did the work for a person running. You have to do the work for yourself running and walking. 2 different colors. I did mine's running in blue for running. You have to do yours in 2 colors, one for running and one for walking. Put it on the same sheet of paper. So there'll be a different color here for your walking, another story for walking, another equation for walking in that color, and on the same graph you use a different color. Any questions? Replay the video. Continue on once you finish this part of the extra credit assignment.